In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an engine knock sensor in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the engine compartment. Underneath this heat shield, personally, I like to take this piece off just to gain access and have a little bit more room. Two 8mm and one 10mm. Take off these 3 nuts. After you remove those 3 nuts, you want to remove your O2 sensor. It's a 7/8 wrench. Spin that off, put it off to the side, unclip it. I like to wrap a rag around it just for a little extra safety. And just put it off to the side. You want to get that 10mm bolt right there. And that comes out with the bracket. And you have a 10mm bolt on the left side. And you want to lift it straight up and put it off to the side. You want to remove your downstream O2 sensor, which is a 7/8. And just like I said with the upstream, you want to just wrap a rag around it so it doesn't bang around everywhere. Those are sensitive. Put that off to the side. Your exhaust manifold bolts, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 13s and 2 14s. You want to remove those. You have your 9 10mm bolts on this splash shield after you've raised and supported the vehicle safely. You need to take those out. Remove your splash shield. Now you have your 2 exhaust downpipe nuts. Those are 12mm. And you get your 13 for your bracket. Slide that exhaust down. Just put it off to the side. Now you got your 3 13s for this bracket. If the gasket is falling off, make sure you remove it so it doesn't get damaged. After you remove your lower bracket, just come up top, slide the manifold off, put it off to the side. After you remove your manifold, you can see your knock sensors right here. You got a wire in front of it. You're gonna have to move that wire, this little clip. And then just push that out of the way, and there's your bolt for your knock sensor. You want to remove this bolt. It is a T45. Now to unplug your sensor, there's this little metal clip. You want to push that down and pull. And there it is. You want to have your surface clean. That way your knock sensor sits flush. So this one looks pretty clean already. Just start your bolt. And this bolt gets torqued down to 15 foot-pounds. Take your plug, plug it back in, listen for that click. You want to remove your gasket for your exhaust manifold. Put that off to the side. That is a metal gasket that is reusable. You want to clean this surface and the surface of your manifold. Before cleaning the surfaces, you want to stick a rag in these ports because you don't want anything going in any one of these ports. You can just use a shop rag or some paper towels. You want to clean off your manifold, same as you did the head. Remove your paper towels. And let's get ready to install it on the head. Install your metal gasket. Slide your exhaust manifold down. Slide it over the two bolts. And start putting your exhaust bolts on. You want to snug these down. You want to torque these down at 25 foot-pounds, but there is a sequence, just see on the screen. Get your O2 sensors up in the downstream, put them in the proper places. Start with the down. Tighten that up snug with your 7/8 wrench. After you install that lower O2 sensor, it's time to put your exhaust shield on. And you want to snug these down. And your O2 sensor. Snug that down. Get your cable in your loop. Install your air tube. Your 110 millimeter and 2/8. Once we're back underneath the vehicle, you have your bracket. It goes on the bottom of your manifold with your 3 bolts. Stop those by hand. And you want to torque those at 14 foot-pounds. You want to clean your surface on both pipes, or both surfaces on both pipes. Install your reusable metal gasket. Install your lower pipe. Nuts on by hand. And those 2 nuts get torqued down at 14 foot-pounds. Get your 13 exhaust bracket bolt on. Just give it a snug. Now you put your lower splash shield back on. You just want to snug those up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.